This is Lexi in the furniture maze. This is Elvis, very nosy cat. Watch your head. Oh, that's so perfect that you sat up there instead of an inch over. Hi. Was that fun? That's super fun. Lexi Lex. Do you see outside? Hi. You're very, very wet. Crawling up to mommy. Oh, you found mommy's string. Wow. Do you hear daddy?
Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Can you get through there?
Kind of a small space.
Hi.
And this is a high chair.
Hi. Yeah.
Now what are you gonna do? Now what will work out?
Go over the baby speed bump.
Baby speed bump. Baby speed bump. Don't go too fast. Whoa! Slow down there.
It's a flat. It's a flat. Hi, cutie.